Back here at Watts, checking out Nike Community Store Watts, where we get 30% off the back wall. In the evening time, I barely see any refurbs here this evening. Looking for some size 9 steals. I barely see any size 9s. Color on these flight courts, not too bad. $60. That's $42 after the savings. That's a hell of a price. Patent leather bread lows right, $100. Not too many size 9s. I see 8.5, see 9.5. Not 9's 80 for those. Size 8, $135. Pine green SB looking Jordan 4 RMs right here, $80. Book ones, $120. Got these lightning looking Spizike lows right here, $165. That's crazy. 8.5 book ones, $120. Rejuvenate slides right here, $145. I literally barely see any 9s. These Monarchs, these are size 954. That's about it. What the hell? Checking out the 10s now. Look at this. El Grito Jordan 3s right here. I'm not too big a fan of this stuff right here. The material is definitely interesting. Faux gator skin. That price is what's up. Price $230. Remember, you do get 30 off on top. That's definitely the first time I've ever seen those on sale, so that's pretty dope. Got Air Max 90s right here. Regular price though. Guess you get the 30% off. I've seen a bunch of these in every size, so looks like these just made it out the aisle. Kind of goes for these as well. I'll finally see some size 9 in the size 10 section. Jordan 1 High OGs right here, $130. So under $100. Moving on to the clearance apparel section where you get 30 off. Caitlin Clark t-shirts right here. What are they talking about? $50? $50. Good Lord. Nike SB jerseys, super loose fit, $65. LeBron t-shirt. LeBron's been hooping. That fool's been balling so good. Long sleeve t-shirt, $25. That is a small though. Caitlin Clark hoodie right here, $70. Okay, that's kind of cool. Pretty thick, not bad. What is this? Is this Athletic Club? Nike Athletic Club football jersey. Got some random stuff here. SB jersey too. I don't know. No price tag. Wait, there's one on the floor right here. Those are going for $60 down to $40. It looks like. ACG jacket here in a medium. You know these ain't cheap. Yep, $225 down to $150. Pretty thick though. Thought it was a windbreaker. Nope. Mamba long sleeve. This is a loose fit, $30. Is this a wool? Oh, it's ACG. Yeah, it is wool. 170 freaking bucks. But wool is really, really good because even if it gets wet, it can still keep you warm. So wool is usually always a little premium. Usually good for layering, whatever. Y'all know what the hell I'm talking about. Florida A&M t-shirt right here in a large, $25. Puka Nakua shirts right here, Ram shirts for $30. Jordan jacket, fleece jacket, $80. $50 for this hoodie. This is a XL right here, an XL. $90 for this. It's a pullover, dude. It's a simple pullover, dang, dude. This is the dry fit material, I guess. Let's knock out the rest of the back wall. Size 11.5. Flight courts right here, 30. Well, like $38 or something like that. Not bad. It's after the savings. Another one of these. Got two size 10.5s here. Spiz size. I saw these in a few sizes. Oh, 90. 90, that's not bad. 0.4s. These are the why nots. Right here, $40 freaking dollars. Man, 30% off. That drops it down to what, $28? They still got these LeBrons here, $35. So that's like 20 something. If your kid's into hoops, that's probably one of the best basketball shoes you can get for under $30. That's like under 30 after taxes and everything. Dude got these, oh, P-Rods right here. Got his own signature sneaker that kind of looks like a dunk, especially from the front right here. That definitely looks like a dunk. The back is significantly different. Does have all the SB signature qualities, traits. Has all the padding along the tongue as well as the ankle, heel, and all that type of stuff. Damn, material's just hella nice too. Material's just definitely nice. It is size 11. I don't know the price though. Probably retail minus 30. If the color was right, the price was right, maybe. I don't know. I'm not digging all that red. Especially with this red, I don't think it would match Niners gear. Maybe it would. It does have some gold on it, so maybe it does. Size 13s right here. Looks like these definitely came out the aisles too. Got a size 12 and an 11 right here. I'll go for 100. We saw these marked down even at Ross for way crazy prices. I think it was under 50 bucks. 120 here. Got these Rejuvenate slides. Why is there a size 10 right here? I'm looking at the size 12 area. 50 bucks. Oh wait, is it even cheaper? Yeah, 45. That's an actual size 12. I'm seeing these for crazy cheap at the clearance store. LeBron 22s, 140 here. Size 13, 70 after the savings. And Big Feet Gang, they used to have so many huge sizes for you guys back in the day. Lately, no, dude, I see a bunch of size 12s, 13s and above just right here. Just this tiny little section. What happened to all the size 13 and above? They're not at the clearance store. I don't know. Where the hell are they going? 50 for those. I don't know where they're going. I don't know. $80 for these aren't even in the right section. It's not even the stuff here. It's even less. What the hell? Yeah, again, what the hell? No love for Big Feet Gang at the outlets lately. Back in the apparel store. How did I miss this? How did I miss this? Poofy jacket right here. This is a Nike Thermofit Quadruple XL. 140. Normally 2 bills. I got a couple of these Jordan ones. They feel the exact same. Got a couple of these for, I think, like 50 bucks or something like that. They're normally 2 bills. I think I got it at Ross was it last year or the year before? I got one for me and one for my kiddo. 30% off hoodies and t-shirts, I guess. Hoodies normally, or the sale price is 40. You get 30 off on top, and then t-shirts for 20. Been seeing sweatshirt and winter stuff on sale, 45 for these bad boys right here. This super bright colorway right here, 40. Are all of them 40? Yeah, it might be 40. 45 for that one. Nike sportswear one right here for 35. Hoodies, jackets right here, 55. I don't know, I'm stumbling on my numbers. I don't know. 55 for this one. 40 off all these. This is the same one that was on that side. I don't know. 55. Oh yeah, it was the same one. Was the same one as the other sides. And then 45 for these. They got regular colorways right here, super bright ones. 40% off all these. So good time to buy off season. All right, let's see what's going on in the aisles. Where we got the usual suspects over here on this side. What the hell are these? More of the same over here. And then we got a couple of mids. Got some lows. 204 RMs. And a Chicago colorway. This is white, gray, red fire. What the hell? Jordan franchise slide. What the hell? Some budget Jordan slides. More of the usual suspects over here. As well as on this side over here. God damn, dude, a lot of witnesses, a couple of slides. Apparently these are mandatory at every freaking outlet. We've seen these everywhere. And then generic Air Max Central. We've been seeing a ton of generic Air Max lately. These like belong at Kohl's or Marshall's or something. Maybe Shoe City, is that the generic spot? I don't know. But yeah, even running shoe wise, nothing crazy. Women's clearance section, women's bigger size wear. I swear the selection hasn't been as good as before. I'm not talking about just here. I'm talking about every outlet or every clearance store. I don't know. Like everyone I've been to, I don't know. They just haven't had the greatest selection. $100 for those, and then got Vomero Roams right here, 130. I guess that's not the bigger women's size. I think that's been everywhere lately, I guess. Or every shoe. 55 or 53 right there for the Blazers. 53 right here too. Been seeing these at quite a few spots. We just saw these at Torrance. $100 for these. Elevate's 81. Pegasus Premium still 220. Dang it. Air Max 270 size 9 right here. Look at this. Some of the cheapest 270s. $85. $85, and they're all gently worn, so pretty much brand new. Some of you guys said Nike cleans their shoes. I guarantee they don't clean their shoes, because we've seen ones that say brand new and they're all jacked up. Some of them, I think some of them are like scuffed and stuff like that when they're transported and stuff, but historically we have not been seeing them be cleaned. And we're seeing them like in so many sizes, 7.5. These are 10.5, size 9. Men's right here, freaking 85. Got some Cortezes right here, 65. Size 8, size 9s, and even 7.5. Got another one of these going for $100. Air Max 90. Are these the Futura ones? Yeah, the Futura is $80. It's a dope colorway of the Vomero 5s right here, super small, $100. Pink 270 right here, 170. Seeing more and more of these. They got a huge shipment of these. These are all 7.5, and they got a size 8 right there too. Air Max 90 right here, 135. I'm gonna check out the house, but let's see what's on feet. Do got, what are these? The Lightning 4s right here. Got these such a long time ago. Threw them on for the first time. Lightning Jordan 4s. I think these came out during the pandemic. I think they did. Got one for me. Got one for one of my boys who's a Laker fan, and it matches his car too, so I grabbed him one. And I am wearing this with my Lakers gear. Got my Lakers Pro Standard pants that I grabbed for like $20 or something, which is pretty fire. Let's move on to the women's aisles, where we do see some dunks, more dunks, as well as some calm slides, icon classics that have been sitting and nobody's been touching these. More slides. Got some ones right here. The matching mids. 30% off these bad boys. Air Max 270s. Another one right here. Forrest Gump Cortez. And then we have an epidemic of generics at the outlets lately. Oh wait, they got a couple more dunks. Let's move on to the kids aisles over here, where we got a ton of dunks. White laser fuchsia. This one is awful. Tattoo. Light magenta pale ivory. Triple black. That's definitely a fire one for almost any kid. And then most of the kids already got these. Forces. Vomero 5s right here. And then we always see plenty of the generic Jordans. And then here's a preschool pair, and that's about it. And then next door, these have been interesting lately. And we just got one super long row of sneakers in the men's. Oh wait, they got these little shells over here too. Wait, they got the smaller sizes. They got these Donovan Mitchells. Are these the Donovan Mitchells, right? I don't know why I'm blinking out. Yeah, Don issue 6s. They are going for $40. Sometimes I just blank out or black out. I don't know. Getting old or something. 60. What are these? The Infinities? The crazy Infinities going for 40. Icons. I just saw couple of these in another size, 70. Zoom Freaks right here, 55. I'm seeing these at every Ross, 70, as well as these. If you're a KD fan, y'all should be out and about looking for these. Dang, the other Rosses I went to, didn't they have them on clearance? Did they have them on clearance for under 50? KD 18s marked down to $49. All these marked down? Are all of them? Yeah, they're all marked down $49. Now I'm going just to check these. I swear they had them marked down. Could have been they just missed them at this location. I don't know. I swear I've seen them. Gore-Tex Pegasus right here, 70. Skechers basketball, is that a thing? 25. Ruku's been seeing these, 40. Flight Courts right here, 65. Phantoms, are these size 12, 45. If you're an Under Armour fan, Ross got you for such good prices. These Charge, are these the Charge ones? I don't know, 55 for those too. Man, I am so I need to check my footage when I get home. I swear these are marked down other spots for 70. If I didn't splice in the clip of that, then I was wrong. It is what it is. Happens. Bigger size right here. Nothing other than the Clipper Crocs that we've seen for quite some time. Got nothing 12 and above. I was gonna skip apparel, but look at this. Now they got Cardinals, Nike merch right here. This is what is this? A Cooperstown collection one right here. XL, $30. $30. It is a blank jersey. Juventus jersey. And this is an Adidas right here, XL40. Dang, we're seeing a ton of the Cardinals ones, just like we saw the Washington Nationals at that other spot. What's this? What is this? A Boston? It's like an old school colors or something. 617. This is a medium. I could use a large or an extra large of these. $40. Got a worker from Boston. I think his birthday's in a month and a half. I was trying to get stuff from my workers on their birthdays and stuff. Got another Juventus jersey right here, medium, normally $100. They got you for $40. Then we've seen a bunch of these. Last section right here. I was just about to say, I ain't finding nothing in the women's. What is this? Got Vaporfly Next Percents right here. Does say 100. Is this a women's or is this a men's? 13. Some investigating does show it's a men's 13. How do I know? Because it says UK 12. UK 12. That means men's 13. Because I think with men's and women's UK it stays the same. But here the only sneaker I found is a men's. So far, what the hell are these? What are these? What are y'all doing, Converse? Holy crap, holy crap. Who cares how much this is? Alright, it's 35. Some Chuck 70s right here. These are size 8. Remember, make sure you go down a size. Make sure you guys go down. I go down a full size. I think I have like a size 9 in my Chucks. Yeah, it's $30. Chuck 70s in a mid right here. Go for 40. Sarukus, Superstars. This is 6.5. Yeah, 6.5. Women's, $40. I guess this Shields right here. These are going for 50. That's it. That's it. Got some Pegasus Waves. Not really much. Not really much in the women's today.